Hi everyone and welcome back to another busy day in town. Absolute chaos, to be honest. Don't help either with the fact you're getting cars coming through and of course all this building work. Looks like they've completely gutted both of these jewellery shops and they're just in complete refurb. Otherwise up there you've got this chippy CBD shop. That's becoming a new thing here in Benidorm, like CBD shops, cannabis shops. Of course it's all perfectly legal over here, so if you want to walk around Benidorm smoking a joint, you're allowed to apparently.
What do you think it was?
I don't know. Gone crazy in England. Apparently there's fake police going round arresting or fining people for smoking a cigarette, but there's someone on TikTok going round trying to stop these police because they're fake. They have no formula allowing to do all this. Like, they have no power whatsoever. Mental. Anyway, back to Benidorm where we actually live. Sadly. Busy as hell today. Probably something to do with the stupid day that it is tomorrow, Valentine's Day. So bought a Spaniard there. A Spanish style sweet shop. Very nice. Anyway, as I was saying, probably busy because of the stupid day that it is tomorrow, Valentine's Day. Now, only reason I hate Valentine's Day is the past few years Valentine's Day's been terrible for me, to be honest.
What about you, Marcus?
Yeah, just sort of another excuse for shops to get more money. On about shops, brilliant gift shop there, hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, bracelets, all that. Gonna carry on through town, got the Godfrey's place there. And as we come further into town, you see more shops, more alleyways as well. Look, don't be afraid to go off these alleyways. Quite often you'll find something you probably never knew about. God knows what's happened there. Anyway, half the time exploring these alleyways you'll find stuff you never know about. I mean, go up there and you've got like nice shops up there and you've got like a nice little square with a big restaurant too, actually, so very nice. There's actually 2 skateboard shops in Benidorm as well. One off one of the alleyways and when sort of coming off like Avenida Mediterraneo, down by where that sidebar was. Ooh. Jewelry shop there, guys. Of course, candy shop Diana's gone all out for Valentine's Day. The big Valentine's bird. Cute. Then of course as we sort of near the end of town, the Rincon end that is, you do start seeing the main sign. We love Benidorm sign above our hut. Most noticeable shop in Benidorm, I'd say. To be fair, I'll go as far as saying no matter where you go in Benidorm, you'll probably be near an owl hop. Like one on every street, I think. I mean, one in town, one down on Poniente Beach, two on Avenida Mediterraneo, and one on Jamie Avenue. And while some of them do sort of have some specialities, for example, the one on Jamie Avenue is a electrical and wholesale shop, whereas the one on Poniente Beach, alright mate? Huh? Anyway, just met a fan there, so shout out to him. Anyway, as I was saying, I'll hop on Poniente Beach. That's of course more of a beach style shop. Just sort of shoot up with us there. Apparently a new Pokemon themed shop going in up there somewhere. Yeah, I think Dad's went in a bevy, so see you later guys. Hit the like, smash subscribe and share it. Adios. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit like and hit that subscribe. See you soon.